In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Base44 website or app that offers valuable products or services. First, let's talk about building the core of your website or application. When starting with Base44, it's essential to focus on what makes your business unique. Think about the products or services you want to offer. They'll be the backbone of everything you do, and their value is what will attract users or customers to your platform. Whether you're providing digital downloads, physical goods, or maybe even subscription-based services, ensure quality and value remain at the forefront of your strategy. It's important to design a user-friendly interface as well, so users have a seamless and enjoyable experience on your site or app. Once your Base44 platform is up and running, it's time to consider integrating alternative payment methods. Offering diverse payment options can significantly enhance accessibility and appeal to a broader audience. You might want to start by integrating services such as PayPal, which is widely recognized and trusted for online transactions. For users who might prefer direct transfers, opting for traditional bank transfer methods can be beneficial. And for those tech-savvy customers who have embraced digital currencies, you could incorporate cryptocurrency wallets, provided your platform supports them. Each option helps cater to different segments of your audience, and embracing a variety of payment methods can enhance user satisfaction and expand your customer base. Next, let's discuss promotion, which is vital to the success of your project. Leveraging social media and other marketing channels can significantly increase visibility and attract a wide audience to your new website or app. Establish a presence on platforms where your target audience is most active. It could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Consistently engaging with users, sharing updates, and creating valuable content can help build a community around your business and amplify word-of-mouth marketing. Collaborate with influencers or thought leaders in your industry to reach even larger audiences. Consistency and authenticity in your outreach can solidify your brand's presence online. In addition to social media marketing, consider using affiliate marketing or ads to generate extra income streams. With affiliate marketing, you collaborate with partners who can promote your products or services in exchange for a commission on sales. This strategy can effectively expand your reach and incentivize others to drive traffic to your platform. Running targeted ads, whether on social media or through search engines, can further direct potential customers to your site, increasing your chances of converting visits into sales. Finally, tracking sales and regularly optimizing your offers is crucial to maintaining growth. Use analytics tools to monitor sales performance, customer behavior, and trends. By analyzing this data, you can make